Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Roblox codes on Roblox. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So to start with, we're going to open up a web browser. So that might be Chrome or Safari, depending on what device you're using. And you want to come up to the top search bar and you want to type in roblox.com/promo codes. What that's going to do is bring up this window for you, and you're going to want to log into your account. So if you fill in your username, password, and then hit login, and then that will bring you up to this screen here, which says redeem codes. Redeem Roblox codes. So what you can then do is put your code in there. So I'm going to put in Spider Cola, tick the box underneath, and then I'm going to hit the redeem button there. So just going to give that a click. Let's see if the code still works. Looking good. Amazing. Cool. Okay, so the code still works. That's brilliant. And then if we go back to redeem, and I'm just going to try another one, tweet Roblox. Let's see. Amazing. Okay, let's hit redeem. I'm not sure if these codes are still going to be active by the time you guys are watching this video, but it's obviously just worth giving it a go. And as you can see, that's redeemed, and that's it. Super simple for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. It does mean so much to us, and we will catch you guys in the next one.